Hey guys, this is the Victorinox farmer. Now, my most used Victorinox knife would have to be the rucksack. This is a bit big though. This stays in my day kit. And I bought this one, I have to admit, just because I had the occasion of playing with it. Now, first time I picked it up, I liked the weight and it does look pretty. But what I really liked about it is the fact that, hope it shows up on camera, the blade is thicker down here and then it tapers towards the tip. And I felt, or I had the impression that for this size of Victorinox, the blade was a bit wider. I'm not sure. Now I have worked with this knife, not excessively. Not with the blade anyway. I only sharpened this once. Besides the knife blade, it has an awl, which if you use it or not, that's up to you, but I like where they put the awl. They didn't put it on the back here. They squeezed one more tool in there and made real good use of this space. In the middle, you have the saw, and down here the bottle cap opener and the can opener with the big and the small flathead screwdrivers. Now this saw is really good, and this is one reason why I decided for the farmer and not the other models that don't have a saw, just because I wanted this knife to be also a secondary EDC knife, and if I go somewhere in the woods, I could by all means leave this at home, and since this is staying in my pocket anyway, just take this one. That was the idea, and it worked, and it still does. So this one still comes out with me pretty regularly. So the saw, that is the main reason. So I have these little pieces of wood here, and I'd like to demonstrate how well it works. Let's go with the thinnest piece. Oh, good. This is very dry and very hard. And you can see it has a bit of wood between the teeth, but not that much. I don't expect it to jam in this little piece of wood. Take something thicker. Oh, if I could just put something under it. Yep, good. I could feel it jam a bit towards the end. That might have been also my hand positioning, but no problem. Now let's take something thicker. And when you're actually talking this size, I guess a rucksack would do a much better job. But this one, I think will do it just as well. Now you saw that it did jam right here. That is because I couldn't anchor this part and lean on the other part. If I could have done that, it wouldn't have jammed at all. As such, I think it did a very good job. Now, the rest of the tools, I'm not gonna go into a cutting test with this. It's basically every Victorinox knife. I just wanted to show you the farmer, and if you have that place in your EDC or kit for it, where you do want an EDC knife that would also serve as a knife for the woods, I think this is a very good choice. I hope you liked the video, and I wish you all a great day, guys.